So I have been restoring an 82 FXRS shovel head, and I bought some pipes, the original pipes for it, and they are quite, well, rusty and pitted. These are the ones that have been on the bike. Here are the new ones. These are the guards. And basically, this is going to be a video about removing the rust and stuff from the actual pipes using coke and aluminum foil. There are lots of videos on YouTube showing this. This is just another one. It's pretty darn cool, I have to say. Starting with guards that look like this, I actually used Diet Pepsi and aluminum foil. I ended up with guards that look like this. It took me maybe a minute. So basically, all you do is grab your Diet Pepsi, Diet Coke. Use Diet because it won't be sticky. And using Diet Pepsi or Coke, you will this is way more than I need. I should probably pour it off into another container, but basically all you do is you take your piece of chrome that you want to clean up, pour some Diet Coke or Pepsi on it, take your aluminum foil, and just scrub. Some of the deeper scratches aren't going to come off, obviously. You can buff those out sometimes. So maybe add a little more. And wipe it off with a towel. Use something that won't scratch it too much, or scratch it at all, actually. Pretty cool. It's not perfect, but it sure is better. Here's the actual exhaust. You can kind of see kind of the pitted and rusty pipe it has become after 33 years. And just take some aluminum foil, some Diet Pepsi or Diet Coke. I don't know, what was that, 30 seconds? And here it is. Pretty darn shiny. There we go. That's a better view, maybe. Anyway, it took 30 seconds at the most. Almost looks new. Pretty cool.